How to change language in KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can change language in KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are logged in, tap on the settings right here at the top. Tap on it. Now here you won't be able to find the language option as the Kakao does not have the inbuilt language option. So you can just change it from your device settings. So go to your device settings. Here scroll down and tap on apps, tap on it. Now here find KakaoTalk. Once you find it, open it. Tap on it. Here you can see language option, tap on language. Now here you'll see variety of languages. You can choose any from here. Choose the one you like choose one. It's like this. And that's it. This is how you can change language in KakaoTalk. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.